and welcome back. So in this series of sharing our house through the years, today I will be sharing our kitchen, our dining room area, our bar hallway, and it's been through quite a few changes. And little side note, we still have one project we want to do in the kitchen, so that'll be for a later date. I'm just not really ready to get into another DIY right now, and it will probably be after the holidays because DIYs, renovating, all of that is so exhausting. It makes such a mess. It's worth it and I love it, but I have to kind of be in the mindset for it, and I kind of have to work on James and get him, geared up and ready for it. So we'll get there, just not there yet. So I hope you enjoy looking at our house through the years. Okay, the kitchen. The kitchen has not went through too many changes, but there was some. So this is the realtor photo of when we purchased the kitchen. You see the tiny refrigerator. This is a different view of it, and it didn't have the backsplash. So we did replace all the appliances. This is the new fridge. It fits the space better, and we really enjoy this refrigerator. We also had the backsplash put up. We picked out this beautiful tile that I still love to this day. Do not regret this at all. And we did replace the stove, the microwave, and the dishwasher because the other ones were roach infested. And this kitchen has kind of went through a lot of changes as far as decor wise. You can see I've played with the tops of the cabinets, and I probably always will. I think it's a fun spot to decorate, and I'm always changing it up. And we have recently added lighting up there, which I totally love. So this is the current way it looks right now. And I really love my kitchen. I love my kitchen cabinets. I know it's kind of not in to have cherry or dark cabinets, but I really love it. On to the dining room. This dining room has been through so much. This was the table we had, and we did change out the chandelier. And that back wall, oh my goodness. This table was perfect at the time because I already had it. And as you can see, I'm trying to figure out this back wall. This dining room wall spans just about the whole wall of the dining room, living room area, with the break between, the break is the door of the master bedroom. And I'm telling you, this is such a huge wall to try to decorate, and the ceilings are so high. So you can see it's been through a lot of changes, and I'm still probably going to change it from time to time just till I get it exactly like I want. But the way it is now, which I think you'll see in a few moments, is how it is, and I really enjoy it. We did get a different dining table, and that was a process all in itself. I wanted a little bit larger dining room table, and we got this one off of Marketplace. We had to completely redo it because it was so sticky. That was a process, but the end results were totally worth it. As you can see now, I love it. It's perfect and fits our dining area great. And this is how the back wall is looking now in the dining room. And I'm really happy with it. I will probably change it from time to time, like I said, but that's the fun of decor. And I did add this little piece to it, and I really love this. It kind of breaks up the dining room, then you get into the living room. The back door, I decided I would paint black to add a little interest to it, and y'all, I love what just adding that black to that door did. Love it so much. I do have plans for the wall that the door is on, but that'll be another day. Now on to the bar area and the hallway. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the bar stools I originally had, and the underneath the bar is sheetrock. And as you can see, yes, it's already got dings, and I just didn't know what to do. So James wanted to build new corbels, so we took out the old corbels. We decided to do a board and batten look, but we filled in the middle with beadboard, painted it a little bit of a different color, and y'all, I love this transformation. He made new corbels. I just love it so much. And then I decided to get new bar stools because the other ones just kind of didn't go with my dining set. So I found a set on Marketplace, and I decided to get them. I sold these bar stools. They're beautiful. I just wanted something that would go more with my dining area and the entertainment center in the living room. So I bought these off of Marketplace. I paid, I can't remember, $75, I think. I don't know, I can't remember. We stripped them down, sanded them, and then with James's help, we took them out back and painted them black. And I absolutely love the way it ties in the dining table, it ties in the entertainment center in the living room, and it just fits that space so much better, and I love them black. Oh my goodness, it totally changed the way they look, and I just absolutely love how they turned out. Now the hallway is a little unique. It's got an octagon shape at the end of it, which I really like. It's a wide hallway, I like that too. And so this was it when we first moved in, very simple, and through the years, I've just kind of changed it up, added to. This secretary was actually free. It was given to me. It cost me nothing. And through my love of thrifting and items being given to me, I have totally made our hallway a little cozy area. I thrifted that antique rocking chair. Now that hutch part that's by the rocking chair has since been moved to the dining room, and I've put a new thrifted item there. And I think you'll see that in the upcoming photo. If not, I will try to include it in the befores and after. But I absolutely love our hallway. That is an antique window. Oh, this is the piece I thrifted, and I love it. The antique window come from a family friend, and I'm just totally in love with how our hallway turned out. What do you think? Been a lot of changes. And we bought this house in 2017, and it's taken this long to get it to this point. So I just say enjoy the process. It's fun, and it's really fun to look back and see just how far you've come. You don't realize what all has taken place until you start looking through photos. And I'm sorry that some of these photos are not the best quality, but at the time I didn't have a YouTube channel, and I wasn't documenting the changes and stuff for a YouTube channel. It was strictly for myself. And I'm so glad I took these photos, because now I can share with y'all and hopefully inspire you and encourage you. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one. We still have the room I'm in to cover, the guest room, the hall bath, the laundry room, master bedroom, and master bath. We still have all of those rooms to cover. So I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.